Business planning is fun again. When you think of a business plan, you probably think of pages of text and graphs and boring stats and numbers. You know, the kind of thing you'd nervously push across the desk to a bank officer in hopes of securing a loan. Well, I don't know about you, but I can't think of anything I like less than to have to piece together that kind of stiff, formal business plan. Luckily, I have better tools, and so do you. I'm Andrea Anderson with Productive Environment Institute. Let's talk about the business plan that isn't. What if you could plan your productivity consulting business with fun, colorful photos and inspirational quotes and phrases instead? What would that do for your daily motivation? Well, that's exactly what a vision board will do for you. By collecting images that represent your dreams and aspirations, you'll have a constant reminder of where it is you're going and even why you started your productivity consulting business in the first place. Maybe you want to spend more time with your kids as they're growing up, or have enough money to finally take that vacation you've been dreaming of. What about that house in the country or at the beach that you've always wanted? Or the sporty little red car that's been calling your name? None of these things will find a place in a traditional business plan, but they're perfect for your vision board. More importantly, they're critical to your long-term success. Without your dreams, it's nearly impossible to remain focused and on track when it comes to business growth. But with these reminders, it's easy. So let's talk about why vision boards work. Does all this feel kind of woo-woo to you? Well, you're not alone. Lots of us were raised to believe that business had to be all about numbers and stats, and that there was no room for fun when it comes to making money. Well, we completely disagree. In fact, some of the most successful people in the world routinely use vision boards to help clarify their dreams and keep their goals front of mind. And that's precisely why vision boards work so well. They allow you to easily see exactly what it is you're working toward, whether it's a shiny new car or a big, beautiful home, an exotic vacation, or simply more time hanging out with your significant other. By keeping visual reminders within sight, you're constantly aware of your why, and that's a powerful motivator no matter what you're working on. As part of our consultant collection, we've been working on identifying our why, and as a result, Barbara Hemphill and I both have our own vision boards, as do several of our certified productive environment specialists. Of course, no banker is going to accept your vision board as proof of viability and give you a loan based on it. But when it comes to clarifying your dreams, pinpointing your real goals, and getting excited about your productivity consulting business again, you just can't beat a personal, colorful vision board. Give it a try. You might just surprise yourself.